Hey everybody, it's Walter here with Coastal Caterers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Mexican street shrimp, and it's based on the popular Mexican street corn. And it's pretty simple. We're going to need some grilled shrimp, and you see we've got 3 skewers with 5 shrimp, and it's been covered in a spice that you're going to need called tahini, and you can get this at most stores. You find the tahini there, and I've coated the shrimp with the tahini, and then when I flip the shrimp, I'm going to coat them again as I let them finish cooking off. So as you can see, I flipped the shrimp, and I'm going to go ahead and re-season this side again with some more tahini. You want to get it good and coated. That's how it's coated. So if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to our channel yet or give this video a like, we really would appreciate that. And the other thing that we're going to need for our Mexican street shrimp is going to be the mixture of Queso Fresco and mayonnaise. And this is going to be a tablespoon and a half of mayonnaise, tablespoon and a half of Queso Fresco. And we're going to coat the shrimp after they finish cooking with this mixture. So when the shrimp are finished cooking, I'm going to turn the grill down, and I'm going to put a piece of aluminum foil down, and I'm going to put the shrimp on top of the aluminum foil, and I'm going to coat it with our cheese and mayonnaise mix. And then that way, by using this, it'll just allow the cheese and the mayonnaise to melt nice and smoothly, and then you can just pick this up, and it'll also help you not have to clean your grill a whole lot. So just one little tip. So as you can see, the shrimp have finished grilling, and I'm going to go ahead and start adding the Queso Fresco mayonnaise mix to it. One other little tip is you can actually use the backside of your spoon to spread like a knife the mix. So just go ahead and use the back of your spoon to spread your mixture. So as you can see, I coated the shrimp with the queso and mayonnaise mixture, add a little more tahini. I've got it on top of the foil. So if you like this Mexican shrimp recipe, try it out, let us know what you think. Really good. Once again, this is Walter with Coastal Caterers, and this is our original Mexican street shrimp recipe. Try it out. Let us know what you think. As always, have a great day.